Authorities in occupied Kashmir have once again placed senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest today and preventing him from offering the Friday prayers at the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. Mirwais Umar Farooq delivers the Friday sermon at the Jamia Masjid. However, the New Delhi installed Occupied Kashmir administration, led by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, placed him under detention at his Nagin residence in Srinagar. Indian troops continued cordon and search operation in different areas of the Poonch and the Kathua district. The Indian troops continued the search operation in the Lasagna, Surankot area of the Poonch district after an attack on the Indian forces on Monday. The Indian troops also continued the cordon and search operations in different areas of the Kathua district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has paid rich tributes to the martyred resistance leader Shaheed S. Hamid Wani, who was killed by the Indian forces on this day in 1998 in his hometown in Srinagar. APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said that he was a legendary character whose life and sacrifices would live on eternally in the hearts of the every freedom and the peace-loving across the occupied territory. To further intensify the brutalities on the innocent people of the occupied Kashmir, the Indian Central Reserve Police Force will raise a new commando battalion for resolute action in occupied Kashmir. The CRPF Director General Gyanendra Pratap Singh, at the force's 86th raising day in the Neemuch, said that the unit, set up on the directives of the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah, will conduct operations in the forested areas of both the Jammu and the Kashmir Valley. The shortage of the essential life-saving hemophilia drugs has been going on for a few months now and is a regular issue every year.